Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I am going to clean my living room. It's not a big space. If you are here for the longest time, you know it's just a tiny little space, but I'm grateful for it because child, it means a lot to me. So I'm going to just tidy up, clean, organize, and give some look. I have a portrait that someone has gifted me with. I've never used it because the plan that I had in mind, I don't think it will be implemented anytime soon, but for now I want to do something there, that side, with that portrait. I'm not gonna hang it, I'll just put it next to the chair or the table. Yeah, the living room is not clean. We've been doing things. I was cooking, so I'm done and need to clean and refresh. So this is how it looks. I also need to put in that mat, you know, I always had, and that cooler box has always been there since morning. I need to cover up the chair. Yeah, you'll see the look that I want to come up with after cleaning. Those mats down there, the two belongs outside. I need to take them outside as in now and put in those cushions properly there. So if you just joined me, please subscribe to this channel. We are growing. So this is the thing that I'm talking about. I love it so much. It's the sunset type of a situation. I think the sun is setting here and I really love it. I love it, and it goes together with those cushions that I bought, the covers that I bought at this moment. So it's reflecting. It's so beautiful. I love it. It's a gift. It still has a price. It's $149.99, basically 150. I love it, guys. I so love it. It comes from my neighbor. My neighbor knows type of a thing that I deal with. So thank you so much. So yeah, I am done. Now I'll mop. Whatever I have in mind, I hope it will work. So I'm going to take the mat out there. It's on the washing line and I'll put it down there also. So this is what I had in mind with that blue chair, and that you can see the blend between the cushion cover and the frame. So this one will come. I am trying to close off that corner actually, but I'll figure out things. I'll figure out how to do it as time goes on. Now, this couch doesn't have. Let me just put in my bedroom cushions and see. Yeah, this is how it looks, but this corner, guys, I think it's getting in perfectly. I think it's fine. I think it looks cozy. No, I think it's looking cozy. The one thing that I need to do is to stock up on cushions, guys, and remove this blue thing, but for now I think it's nice. So this is what I had in mind. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked what you see. I really do like that corner. Why didn't I think about it all along? Comment down below, guys. The cushions on the couch that they're going down is just for a display on this video. They don't belong there, but I think I need to get more cushions of the bigger cushions to put the cushions of this kind of colors. That corner is giving me autumn. It's giving me, yeah, letšatši le a subela, guys. A le subele ka di subscribe, a le subele ka di thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up because I really do like what I see. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.